Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create affordable PR packages for your business. My business is called SK Beauty. It is a small cosmetic line and I'll be showing you guys how I created these PR packages. So the first version is a larger box and it's completely customized, a little bit more expensive than the smaller box, and everything is in there. There it is. And the smaller box is not as customized, however it's very neat, it's on brand, and it's a lot less expensive. So depending on your budget, I'm gonna give you two versions today. So here's a quick overview of everything that is presented in the larger box. Okay, I got t-shirts, makeup bags, hats. You guys are gonna see the full thing in the next clip. Okay guys, so the first item is obviously the box that I am using. I got this box from Amazon. It is a Hallmark box and it was $6.99. I will definitely leave the link below if you guys are interested in this box. I think it's very sturdy and very affordable, and it also comes with that shredded decoration paper back there. Now it's time for inventory. These are my Dolly lashes. And they are, I will put the price on the screen. I love these lashes so much, you guys. I will show a picture of me wearing them also. But anyway, moving on. I put two pair of lashes in this box because it's a bigger box. So be mindful of that. These are the wifey lashes here. And be mindful of like what kind of inventory you put in there. How much inventory did you want to include? And this is a picture of my beautiful model that this box is going to. I also threw in a pair of tweezers, and I'm also including a eyelash brush. I just wanted to put a few extra gifts in there, and some business cards. I wrapped them up in some gold ribbon because presentation is everything. And I'm also including some eyelash glue that we're now selling in the colors black, white, and clear. And that's the packaging of the eyelash glue. Nice, nice, nice. I'm also throwing in a customized makeup bag with my logo and her name on it. I got this from AliExpress and I think it was like 99 cents. Yes, girl, a steal. I'm also throwing in this hat from Amazon. I'll include a link to that also. Her name is on this hat also. And I'm gonna talk to you guys about customization throughout the video. This is also a t-shirt with her name on it, with also the logo included as well. Customization and on brand awareness is key, you guys, when you're doing PR, period. And I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna fold her shirt on display. I ended up using it name side up, like with her name showing. So yeah, I was just trying to figure out what I was doing here. Okay guys, so while I put this box together, I need y'all to hear me loud and clear. So the key to a good PR package is customization. Whenever you watch brand videos, they always put something that they know the influencer likes. So if they like Doritos, they might throw a bag of Doritos in there with their name on it. They always do something just small to make them feel special. So I'm a small business, so I had to really think outside of the box, and what I could do that would be, you know, like the button. It has her face on it. I'm pretty sure that made her feel so special. Like she has a button with her face on it, and it only cost me $1. Speaking of customization, the lady who made everything that you see here that is customized as far as the merch, she's a family friend. So guys, comment below if you guys want her information. I'm not sure if she does online shipping or anything like that, but I could definitely talk to her about it if you guys are interested. She did an amazing job with the merch. I was super happy with it, and she talked to me. We had like a one-on-one about what kind of colors I wanted to use and everything. So you want to make sure your box is special to them. It also while also representing your brand well as well. You want to represent your influencer well, and you want to represent your brand. Okay, I can't stress this enough that branding is key. Branding is key. Branding is key. You see SK Beauty all over this box. They gonna know who box this is before anything. I'm talking about from the outside to the inside. SK Beauty is all over this box, and she's also represented well in the box. Also, her name is on the shirt, the hat, and the makeup bag. So it's specialized to her also. Right here, I'm just adding a few last minute touches. I'm tying this gold ribbon around the box. And I got this ribbon from the Dollar Tree, if you guys are curious. And I did not include it, but I did write her a note and I slid it right under that gold ribbon. And basically, it was just telling her thank you, and I was letting her know about some future sales that I had coming up. And that's something that you also want to let them know. If you have any sales or any deals running and you want them to let their followers know, make sure you include a note of some sort that is personalized, and make sure you thank them for sharing your company with their followers. And I'm going to tell you guys, my entire site is 15% off when you use the code SLAY at checkout. And not only that, if you buy 2 or more lashes, you get a lash glue for free. Yes, sis, tell somebody to tell somebody. And the average cost of the entire big box was $50. Like I said, it's a little bit pricey for the customization and things like that. But on to the smaller version with less customization. And these are my branding stickers that I got from Vistaprint, if you guys are curious. And my best friend gave me these smaller boxes, and I'll include the website on the screen where she got these from. They're very, very inexpensive also. And these are basically the same products. That's the box folded up. These are basically the same products I included in the first box. It's just nothing is customized. I don't have any merch included. And only 1 pair of lashes will go in this box this time, because like I said, it's a little bit less expensive, and a lot of people don't have $50 to, you know, blow on a PR package. You know what I'm saying? It's nice, it looks nice, but sometimes the budget is not there. So here's a version of the smaller box that you could use for, you know, if you don't have that kind of budget. And this one, with products included on average, this one cost me about $17 to $20, and I'm averaging it out. This is a bubble mailer that I use to mail off my packages, and I got those from Amazon. So I'm stacking the lashes in there first, the glue, the tweezers, the eyelash brush. And you guys, I did not talk about this earlier, but I do have some flyers that I send in every single package, and it just says thank you, here's a free gift on me, on us. So every time you order from SK Beauty, you get a free gift. So I put in some business cards and that flyer. Those are my business cards, and that is the flyer that says, hi gorgeous, thank you for shopping with us, here's a free gift on us. And here I'm just cutting that gold ribbon to wrap around the business cards. And this is just for presentation purposes only. You want to make sure anything that has your name attached to it is presented properly. I definitely didn't have to do this step, but I wanted my business cards to stay intact during the shipping process. So next we're going to prepare the box for shipping, and that includes closing it and making it look presentable. It was a little bit tough closing the box, not gonna lie. So what you guys are gonna see me do is add some tape to the to those parts right there. You guys will see what I'm talking about in a second. And I got this gold tape that you're about to see soon from Walmart, and I think it was like $2.99. So it adds a nice little touch along with my logo. Make sure you put your stamp on everything, okay? You understand me? Put your stamp on every single thing. Everything. Now back to the gold tape I was telling you guys about earlier. This just adds a nice touch. You guys can see that my colors are pink and gold, so it just works perfectly alongside the box. So I'm just cutting a little tiny piece off of there and sealing up those edges, making sure that the box stays shut during the shipping process. So it kind of worked out that the box wouldn't close because I made it look pretty. And that's it. This box fits perfectly in the mailer. Like I said, make sure you write them a nice little note. Tell them about any future sales. I like to send out PR right before a sale because it just makes sense. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, the larger box was around $50. The smaller one, I would say about $17 to $20. And like I said, branding is key. Branding is everything. Make sure you got your stamp on everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe and shop SK Beauty if you can. Thank you so much. I love you guys.
Y'all, SK Beauty literally show out for me. I got a whole hat. Like, the merch is on point. I got a hat. It says Slaylene on the back. Too cute. Then I got a shirt that says Slaylene. I got a whole beauty bag that says Slaylene on the back. I got lashes. I got a lippy. I got a lash applicator, a lash brush, and a whole pen with my face on it. Shop, please, please shop. Y'all see the beauty of this brand. She really branded her shit on point. So please shop. So if you go over to our website, you can use my discount code SLAY for 15% off. And if you purchase 2 or more lashes, you get a free lash glue. So y'all, please go shop. This girl, she literally show out for me. Shop, shop, shop.